My eyebrows are done and my base is here, so I'm going to move on to first eyeshadow. This is from NYX Ultimate Palette Brights, this color right here. And with a blending brush, just going into my crease. And also I'm going to connect this area right here. I'm going to take another blending brush and just work with the edges. I'm still working with clean brush. Blend these edges as much as I possibly can, so it's easier for me to add lighter and darker colors so that this color stays in the middle. So the next color will be from same palette, but it's color right here. Tap the product off the brush and just working around the edges to make color that is a bit lighter than this one. For now, these are all matte colors. Now when it comes to brow bone area, I will use pure white color. You can use any matte white color that you want. I'm using from Ilamasqua Artistry palette with a small brush. Now I'm gonna move on to more purple shades, and this one is from Huda Beauty Amethyst palette. This color right here. I'll be loving this palette. When it comes to depth of this shade, it is similar to the previous shade that we used. This is not matte shade. It does have some shimmer in it, but when you swatch it, it looks a little bit like wet highlight. This shade is really nice. With my blending brush, again, I'm applying this above this color. You may ask, why have I put two similar shades? What's the point? Well, the point is that they have different texture. So this eyeshadow that I'm applying right now is more of shimmery shade, and it reacts differently on your skin than when you put matte shades. So I wanted to have, like, even though of course I need to have a eyeshadow base before I apply any eyeshadow, but then what texture of eyeshadow you're going to apply on that base, it really matters when layering your eyeshadows one after another. Now when I'm done with this step, I am moving towards deeper purple shades, and this one is Wasted from Carnival palette. Now where do I go with this shade? I still need to left this all area picking through the colors that are already applied, so I'm going pretty much low with this shade, so that when I blend this shade I still can, you know, just blend it above what I've actually put on my eyelid right now. It doesn't matter how low I go right now because I will clean this area later. Once again, same color. See, when you blend your color, how you lose that pigment. So basically I will repeat the process until I get a color what is in the pan. Of course, it depends what kind of formula are you using. It's really important. Some of the products, they stick with the color right away. Again, depends on so many factors. Are you applying this color, for example, this dark color first, or this is just on top of everything else? Because if you do have lighter shades like I do have right now, you will have to go a couple of times with this color to get the color that you actually want. Next, I'm going to take a Vaseline and a flat brush and slowly starting to create a cut crease. And because it is transparent, it is a little bit harder to see what you're actually doing, but this is the easiest way to achieve clean cut. Also, I'm trying to not look up so that I don't transfer any product on my eyeshadows. Clean my brush and go again. Also, I'm doing this one step at a time, otherwise if I go too high then I cannot go back, so I'll rather just take my time and go slowly. To create this golden line in a crease, I used actually 8 products. And I know it's a lot, but that's the mixture that I came up with to make this. And I've used actually 4 products from NYX Cosmetics. That will be NYX Foil Play Pigment in Pop Quiz, NYX Glitter Brilliance in number 5, NYX Foil Play Magnetic Pool. Used this golden shade right here, and NYX Glitter Goals used their yellow shade, this one right here. Juvias Place Worrior palette, this golden shade right here. Pixi highlighter palette in collaboration with Denise, and it's this yellow shade right here called Glow On or Gold Filled. It's gold filled. And I think that's about it. Oh, and I also used a little bit Tammy Tanula's pigment. I'll have to check what's the name of this pigment because all of them are written in Russian, so I don't know the actual name. So when I mixed everything, I used Inglot Duraline and I put 1 drop and mixed everything together. From there on, I'm using Artistry collection blank canvas. Best product for cutting the crease ever, using flat brush and just going underneath this golden line that I have created. Trying to use as less product as I can because it is really dry and there is still a lot to do when it comes to eyelid. I have to put the product evenly onto my crease from the beginning till the end. Now I took Duraline again and take this color right here. Going to connect this gold line with the edge of my eye, sort of like a small liner. Now I'm gonna take this color again and just connect the edge of this eyeliner with this area right here. Now because my crease is a bit dry because of the paint, I'm using PLouise shade number 0. Actually gonna take a blending brush. Being really careful around the edges so that I don't mess up anything. And now I need a flat brush. Going to use small flat brush. Shade Lemon from Creole, matte yellow shade. Now I just realized I think I wanna add a little bit brighter yellow shade. Actually lighter, brighter yellow shade. I wanna add a little bit even more lightness, so I'm going in with matte white eyeshadow. Wow, this yellow is really bright. So for my lower lash line, I used shade Ibiza from Artistry collection. This is a beautiful cool tone purple shade, which I have mixed with purple shade from NYX Cosmetics Midnight Chaos palette and went with it throughout my whole lower lash line. When it comes to my lashes, I used Naked Lashes in style 421 from Ardell, and before that of course I curled my lashes and put some mascara. This one is Catrice Clement Doll Mascara. And we come till the end of this video. As always guys, thank you for your support, and if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!